Man, we're there here now, we make some chocolate tea, So watch you know. My great real old time this chocolate, I'm showing you what I go on now. All enough the chocolate here. We make from cocoa. See it here? Yeah man, see them in a jar. Yeah man, we know if you find the whole people and we know if you use the Matta tick and beat the cocoa, and mold it like a gig. You understand? So after we grate it, see there? In our natural blender, we have a cinnamon in our pot, grate a nutmeg, a little salt, and the skin of the nutmeg. You understand? Over here, so we have a coconut milk. You understand? Yeah, man, I tell you, say, yo, them a tea and not normal. See, real chocolate here, where all chocolate derive from. You understand? And what is this good for? This is good for sleep. You understand? It's also a relaxer. It keep you away from anxiety. As simple as you see the tea here. I want you to know that chocolate has, hey, you're not going to find this in your research, dopamine. So when you eat chocolate, real chocolate, when you consume real chocolate, you literally become happy. You understand? Yeah man, happy people keep the world turning. Keep seeing my people, because we out here, man, and we live in the simple life, because simple is more and more is simple. Peace and light. We go sweeten it when we're done. Anything you want to use, if you want to use your sugar, up to you, or me use my honey. Peace and light. Yeah man, so see we separate the trash from the coconut, the fiber, but we are not gonna throw away this, this we'll use to cook quinoa. So we'll use this to cook something else. But see it Jamaican chocolate tea. Yes sir. Smell the scent man. Stir, yeah man, see my cinnamon leaf there. My nutmeg inside already, a little salt, and some of my nutmeg, what do you call it something? With the on the skin of nutmeg. I don't remember my name, but it's on the outside. Yeah man, and we go just put fire on the low heat, Yeah. Wait for this to come in, Yeah. The people give thanks.
Yes, for daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth. It's on Amazon. See ya. Check it out.